Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra Elite CV75T headphones and I'm going to show you how to charge them. So there are two ways of charging your headphones. The first one is inserting a USB Type-C cable straight into the charging port at the back of your case. Now our headphones are charging. The second way is on our wireless charger. At first I have to plug our USB Type-C cable to my charger, and now I have to place our headphones here, and as I can see, they're charging now. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.